In cell therapy processing, you can't afford missteps, contamination, or delays. And in this breakthrough world of advanced therapies, adopting one micro solution can have a macro impact on your cell processing. The outsized benefits begin with a pull, a click, and a pull. With just a few simple steps, you've quickly created an aseptic connection in a closed cell therapy process. The microconnectors can be used throughout the cell therapy production process. For example, cell separation, cell differentiation, cell expansion, formulation and fill, cold storage, and even fully automated system processing equipment. The MicroCNX sterile connectors are purpose-built for cell and gene therapy. They are easy to use, provide fast connections, enable flexibility, accommodate various tubing sizes, and reduce risk to the process. Using microconnectors are also able to withstand harsh chemicals and can be frozen down to liquid nitrogen levels. This one tiny move will reduce manufacturing failure rates, provide regulatory favorability to help accelerate program approvals and reduce risk of project delays, streamline processes for scalability and increase throughput, and ultimately, lower costs. See? In cell therapy, micro is macro, and you can count on CPC to make the connections you need for the next breakthroughs in medicine.